Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm making the aromatic yellow rice supermarkets sell within their Indian range. Please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. Rinse the rice until clear and soak for 15 minutes before draining. In a pan on a medium heat, add the oil, bay leaf, cardamom pods, turmeric, cardamom, cumin seeds, lemon juice, salt, cloves and chopped onion. Mix in well and fry for a few minutes to infuse the flavours. Place the lid on, reduce the heat to low and gently simmer for around 5 minutes to soften. Carefully remove the lid, give it a stir, then add the boiling water followed by the drained rice. Stir gently. Bring back to the boil, cover, then reduce to the lowest heat for 15 minutes. Don't lift the lid, you'll need to steam cook the rice. Remove the lid, stir through and serve. It's easy as that. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.